Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore access to your Coinbase account, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the official Coinbase website or opening the Coinbase app on your device. Look for the sign in button located at the top right corner of the home page. Click on the sign in button to access the login page. If you have forgotten your password, select the Forgot Password link. Enter the email address associated with your Coinbase account. Check your email for a password reset link from Coinbase. Click on the link provided in the email. Follow the instructions to create a new password. Once your password is reset, return to the Coinbase login page. Input your email address and the new password you just created. If you're unable to access your email, click on Need More Help on the login page. Select the option for Account Recovery Assistance. You will be prompted to verify your identity by providing information such as your phone number or account details. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the verification process. Once your identity is confirmed, you will receive further instructions via email. If you're having issues with two-factor authentication, click the link for help regarding two-factor issues. Follow the prompts to recover your two-factor authentication method. This may involve receiving a verification code via SMS or email. If you are using an authenticator app, ensure it is properly set up on your device. In case you no longer have access to any recovery options, use the option to contact Coinbase support. Provide all necessary information to validate your identity during your support request. Be patient as it may take some time to receive a response from the support team. Once access to your account is restored, ensure your security settings are updated. Consider enabling additional security measures such as two-factor authentication if you haven't already. After regaining access, review your account activity to ensure there are no unauthorized transactions. Finally, keep your account credentials secure to prevent future access issues. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.